How many commendations should Andrew get for grade A? So we're going to go over here, click in the relevant cell, then we're going to start typing our formula in. We're going to use COUNTIF to work out how many A's he's got first of all. So I'm going to type in equals COUNTIF, open brackets, I now enter the range and then the criteria. The range is from cell C3 over here all the way across to cell Q3. Criteria, so I'm going to put a comma and then all my criteria, and the criteria I'm looking for is the letter A. Now, I've missed out, I made a typo, so Excel's trying to correct that for me, and I'm quite happy with that correction. So he's got 2 A's, and if I look at the across his data, I can see he's got 2 A's. But the problem is he only gets commendation every time he gets 3 A's, so I'm going to take this result here, and I'm going to divide it by 3. By pressing /3, and that tells me he should get 0.67 commendations. But of course, what we do with the commendations is round down. If I click here, what I can now do is use the round function to round this down. I'm actually going to round it down, so I'm going to type in round down, open brackets, and then I've got, if I spell it correctly, the computer will recognise the function. So there we go, it's rounding down, it rounds a number down towards 0. So at the end here, you notice it's got the number and then it says num digits. So after round down, we give it the number. Well, that's the result of this calculation here. Then I'm going to put a comma after that. Then the number of digits. The number of digits, I don't want any. The number of digits is the number of decimal digits. I don't want any, so I'm going to put a 0. Close the brackets and press enter. And you see currently Andrew gets 0 commendations. Now, just to test this formula is working correctly, I'm going to change his grade for test 5 from a B to an A. So if I just change that to an A, we should see he gets 1 commendation. If I undo it, he gets 0 commendation. So that's that. The formula is working correctly. I can replicate this down to work out how many commendations Andrew should receive for getting grades A's.